Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. In today's video, I want to show you how you can track where users are coming from, referrals, to your website or blog with the new Google Analytics 4. So here we go. So here we are on my Google Analytics, and this is what your new Google Analytics 4 will look like once you're moving over there. You want to hit the Explore tab because, as you can see here, traffic acquisition is not going to show you much. You'll see organic, social, referral, but you don't know exactly what they are. So the only way you can find out is by going to Explore and setting up your sources. You start out with the blank to start your new one, and I'm just going to walk you through how I did mine here. So you call it a name. I've got traffic sources, and the dates, you can make them custom. The last 30 days, I'm actually going to just hit that. So it's every time I do it now, it should come up to the 30 days. And you'll see dimensions, the session source, and the source platform. If you click here, let's see if it lets me go into there so you can see. I'll put the plus button. This is where you get them. So you go into traffic sources, and you'll see I had 2 checked off. Once you check them off, make sure you hit that import button. Otherwise, it will not save it. Very important. And the metrics, entrance, and views, you do the same thing. And then you can change the way it looks. You can do it in a donut. You could do it in a line chart. You could do it in scatter, bar graph. And actually where in the world people are coming from, which is kind of a cool one. But I like this one the best. And that's the table chart. And again, you can also make the rows go further down so you can see more as well. And then the entrance, you want to make sure for the values, you have the entrance, it's where they're coming from. So once that's all set up, you can actually see where all your traffic is coming from. So it's a really great way of being able to tell. There's my friend Ryan from Blogging from Paradise, some referrals over from his site. And I talked about the Gab groups, and you can see a few others here on there. I'm part of Up City, Pinterest, Viral Content B, Missing Letter does do quite well. Growth Hackers still comes up for me. More Gab, Quora, Pinterest. So you can really see where all the referrals do come from. I've got Grow Map there, my friend Gail. And again, this is a great way to tell where folks are coming from, because if you go back to your main homepage, you're not going to see that on there. You're only going to see how much of organic traffic versus social. Look at the huge difference there. That's really changed over the years. So again, it's in your Explore section, and you can add all kinds of different ways. I had new user acquisition was another one that I also did. So I hope you found this helpful and that you're able to better track where your traffic is coming from with the new Google Analytics 4.